Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the side sweep. A lot of people find it difficult to just make the hair so clean, so don't worry, I got you covered. I'm just going to comb the hair. I've used some product to just make it easy for me to style. If we are just meeting for the first time, my name is Chris Bex, a bridal hairstylist in London, and you can check out our website for other tutorials that you may like. First, I'm going to be using this clip. So what I'm doing, I'm going to use two. Why I use two? So that it can keep it in place, it will not move. This is the easiest way to do the style. You see the way I'm doing it now. Just kind of fold it. Don't pull it, just kind of hold it there. We're going to be using my pin to hold it and just arrange the side. So with this one, just look at the client and see how it sits on their face. Get your pin and pin that in place. You have to pin it so that it does not move.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekend.
This particular style is going to be available from next week on our website. And if you want to learn how to do this style and these other hairstyles as well, they are all going to be the new addition to our website. Now just take your comb and just push that inside. This is it, clean, simple.
You and me so clueless.
On this YouTube, I've done a lot of hairstyle like this at the back, so you can just go and have a look. But I just wanted to show you how to do this simple clean. Look at it, it's so easy. So make sure you put the clip first. When you put that, it makes it easy for you. Just put your spray. So what I've done now, the hair, as I said, I've prepped it. I use some product to just make it shiny. If you want to learn all about that, check hairbychrisbex.com and you will be styling like a pro. I'm going to be putting some clip in the front there, which you could use to just hold it in place, because we don't want any of these things pop it out.
Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you.
So put spray. I'm just using some spray in the front there to just give it a more finished look. And this is it. I'm going to get some of my pin.
Worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night. We don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I love you in the dark. So shine on.
If you're a hairstylist, you want to learn how to make hair, check out our website. We have tutorials that cater for beginners, that will show you everything you need to know as a hairstylist. And we have single ones coming next week, like this one is coming, this other one is coming, a lot of hairstyle. And if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to recreate, just let me know. That's it. What do you think? This is a twin. I call it twin hairstyle. This is a fabulous hairstyle. When it's set, just take out the pin and just use that to just hold it down. It's all about securing. I'm just going to secure that inside. Make sure that it's holding it, because it's a dark color. It doesn't really show. It just kind of blends inside. If you've watched this video up to now, thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.